a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B.
And this is Tech Guy from the Hive.
We are so excited to be back with you in unboxing week. We have decided as the year is progressing, we love doing unboxings, but honestly that's not where our channel is at. And so we want to try and get all of that unboxing goodness in 1 week, and that way we have 3 other weeks that we can talk about tips and tricks in the sewing room. We can do tutorials or small projects, or we can do Q&A sessions with you all. And so we want to try and get everything here in 1 week for you all. Right. So today we have the Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. As y'all know, this might be just my favorite subscription box ever. We have been getting it from month 2 because we didn't know about it month 1.
This is kind of what started the boxes.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, yeah,
this is it. This is what started on the boxes.
We're the Fat Quarter Shop OGs. So we've got this box for you. This is $24.95, and let me tell y'all, a lot of months it doubles in value. And so you're paying $24.95, but you're getting, much more than that money is worth in the box. So I'm excited to get this open. I've seen a few little teasers because, like I said, we have had to kind of store these for a little bit while we were getting ready for unboxing week. And so...
Well, I haven't seen anything. I make sure, like, the first time we open up the box or see anything, that's the first time that you get the reaction from me. So
yeah, I see some Instagram posts.
Yeah,
and yeah.
I don't.
And Fat Quarter Shop has their own Sew Sampler Instagram where they post pictures. And so Lily and Kimberly over there always post like a really big teaser, and it's really hard not to look at it because I do love them. And so it's hard not to look at it and see all the fun stuff in it. All right, well, y'all don't want to hear us rant and rave, then why don't y'all come in a little bit closer and we will get this box opened for you. There we go. All right, let's hop into this Sew Sampler box. I've already cut the tape here. Ooh. All right, why don't you tell them about your favorite part of this box?
One of 2 favorite parts of my this box.
Oh, I guess you can't see it.
This part right here, it kind of shows all their social media things: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram. And I think this is the only box, very few boxes, that fills this space. And then of course when it comes into this, like, you have to reveal again. So it fills a space, so you know, you think you have a full box, and they usually do a pretty good job of filling the box, but this always has the theme, and on the back side it has a promo, so I'll let you do the honors. Yeah, so this is just a cute little card that announces the theme for this box. This is December's box, so we are a little behind in this. Our little guy got sick a little bit after Christmas. We had my sister's wedding. He was sick again, and so we're just kind of taking it slow. So this is December's box, but we still wanted y'all to see our reaction and see what we really think about what's inside of it. Because I do know that Fat Quarter Shop listens to a lot of YouTube videos on the Sew Sampler, and they really do take into account people's opinions on those things. And so when y'all are commenting down below, like, I love this box, or, oh, this box didn't really have anything useful, I'm not sure I'm going to carry on, they really take those things into account, and I have noticed some changes that I'm seeing in some of the comments of unboxings. And so I think Kimberly there really does care about, you know, her customers' opinions of what the box is. Well, it's her brand, right?
Yeah, so it's absolutely her brand.
I think part of that is, you know, the comments and questions on these boxes is to make sure that you're being respectful, because I think, you know, when you get a respectful comment of, hey, I don't like it, or I do like it, I think that comes through easier than someone being harsh about it. So.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Okay, so this is the theme, Winter with You. And so on the opposite side, we have just a little promotional here that is 20% off of notions, which this would have been helpful about an hour ago when I placed a order with Fat Quarter Shop. I placed an order to get free shipping, which, if y'all know what that means I placed a pretty substantial order.
Oh, I know so how much that order is. Maybe
don't comment down below what it takes to get free shipping from Fat Quarter Shop, because, you know, Tech Guy reads the comments.
I read the comments, and I know what it takes for free shipping on a Fat Quarter.
on a back order shop order.
Yes.
But no, really, this is a great coupon. And, you know, all joking aside, like we really, we're a great team. So this is really interesting. Okay, and then we've always got our accordion kind of cheat sheet of what that, what's in the box. So I always push this aside. I don't want to look at that. This is a little promotional card for their Threadology quilt along. This is their charity quilt this year, where they do a quilt along. They post on their blog all of the block tutorials, and they just ask you for a donation, as small as $5 or as, you know, as big as laid on your heart. And so they are doing 8 different sampler blocks to create this Threadology quilt, and they are using little snippets by Bonnie and Camille from Moto Fabrics. And guys, look how cute this quilt is. Like,
it's like a spool.
It is adorable. It's a spool with like all these tiny little sampler blocks. So I think that's really, really adorable. So you can see that there are repeat blocks in here that you make in different sizes, and that's why there are 8 of them. So next we have, it looks like some Tula pink tweezers. These are the tweezers that are Swiss style, so they can actually be used for plucking thread, or they can be used for a stiletto under your sewing machine. And I know Tech Guy doesn't necessarily know what a stiletto is. It is for...
It's a shoe.
Huh? It's a shoe. It's so that you can push tiny pieces through, like if you're doing mini quilts or whatever. That way your fingers, it doesn't even have to be tiny pieces. It can be used to like hold, like I was making that clam up bag last week, and I could use the stiletto to hold my binding over to help get it through the
That's cool. So it's a useful tool that you can use.
It is, so that you don't sew through your fingers. So this is like a really pretty like iridescent
it changes colors.
Yeah, it's Tula pink, and it's her normal colors.
That's her ML, right?
Yeah. Okay, we've got some little snippets here. These are Quilting in the Rain by, is it Tara? Tara Brandvig. And so these are so nice. Stainless steel embroidery snips, designed with love by a quilter from Seattle, Washington. Let your creativity reign. These are really cute. They have little hearts on them. It's perfect for like the winter time. These are great. I throw these in, yeah, in like my cross stitch stuff and hold those.
Like a go bag
this
for
back
quilting.
is like super soft too, like unreal soft for you to keep them in. I know, you think I'm strange. That's okay. Guys, let me tell you right now, I have to tell you and whoever from Fat Quarter Shop watches these, I do not know about you all, but I love that the last few months they've been including a finishing kit with the Sew Sampler box. I think that you still need to purchase a little bit of something, but to have the fabric for the project, and I like to have the extra fabric that you need in the finishing kit, that's like phenomenal to me. I don't have to go and purchase something separate.
Yeah, my bank account or our bank account is not groaning about it.
So he jokes, guys, but he really
No, seriously, when she was talking about a finishing kit, because I realized that I'm very ignorant, and this quilting game of ours is that there is other pieces that you need. You can't just like quilt something and it's completely done. So,
and I think that was a lot of misconception with the subscription boxes, is that you get an entire project, and you don't. You get the majority of what you need for the project, but then you always need to order backing or binding or batting, whatever. And so this comes with the finishing kit inside of it. Before we get to that, it does come with this super cute,
like a baby blue.
Yes, it's like a, yeah, I don't know what it's called. It's an Aurifil thread, and I don't know the name of it.
Aurifil.
It is an Aurifil. You're learning.
I'm learning.
Okay, so this is the fabric, and so we've got 2 mini charm packs here, and then the finishing quilt.
That's cool.
Or the finishing kit, not the finishing quilt. So that's really cute. Okay, and here's the pattern. Oh, we get a bag. So the Fat Quarter Shop's sneak peek for December was something to do with a bag, and so we all thought for sure that we would be making a bag. So this is the pattern for that adorable bag. So cute. So you get included in your box, you are going to get the 2 mini charm packs that you need. You are going to get 3/8 of a yard of background, and then 7/8 of a yard for the corner triangles and the lining. The optional additional items that you might need are muslin, batting, soft and stable, either one of those things, and then some looks just some yardage if you want straps on your bag, which obviously you will, and batting for the handle stabilizer.
So on the strapping, you can use that from like if you do like a scrap or like a scrap buster, right?
Yeah.
You can use that from that. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's usually.
Or you could probably buy handles pre-made if you really wanted to, but I would want to make them to match this.
Cool.
So I would want to purchase that from Fat Quarter Shop, which is so nice. But I'm loving, like, this is the 3rd or 4th month that we've gotten a finishing kit inside the bag. And I really want to hear your opinion on that. Comment down below. Are you loving the fact that you're getting the finishing kit? Or like how, I mean, oh my God, I'm just loving that. I can't get over it.
Yeah, because most of the project is already there.
Yeah.
Granted, you have to do like the batting and, you know, some other things, but
yeah,
most of it is already here in this box. You're
You're at least getting everything. Like if it's a quilt, you're getting everything to do the quilt top.
Right.
You know, you might have to buy backing, but I can go ahead and order the backing and then start working on the quilt, and I'm just waiting on the backing to come in. Right. So I think that's really, really cool. So
very
this
thoughtful.
Is really, really cute. And then of course we get our block of the month, which we only have 2 more months in this series, and then it starts a new year for them.
I'm really hoping, I say this every month when I go through this, I hope they go back to the old recipe cards.
The recipe cards. I think that was a Lori Holt thing. I'm not sure if that was like an actual.
That design.
Yes. Okay, so let's go ahead and lay out everything that we got, and I'll give you that.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have our recipe card. We've got our bag pattern with our fabric and finishing kit. We have our Aurifil thread in turquoise.
Gray turquoise.
Gray turquoise. We've got our little snippets there, our Tula pink, and then we've got some product information. So let's take a look at this accordion style thing. This is Woodland Rose Mini Origami Squares and Finishing Kit. It is valued at $22.98 for this little package here. We've got our Cherry Gingham Heart Snips valued at $6.98. Our 50 weight Aurifil light gray turquoise thread at $3.98. 4.5 inch Swift style tweezers from Tula Pink for $8.98. And then we've got 15% off all the box items for members only. We have the bag pattern, and that is valued at $9.98. And then we also have the barn block for $4.98.
That's about $60 worth of stuff.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
For
$24.95
plus shipping.
Plus shipping.
That's a good deal.
$24.95 plus shipping. That is such a phenomenal cost.
It's that finishing kit. That
yeah.
I mean, that basically pays for the box.
Yeah, like 22. What was it? $22.98 or something.
Like that.
Was like this.
And then everything else.
So basically, you're getting everything else for free. Yeah. That's amazing.
That's good.
That's really cool.
It's a great deal.
So let us know down below. Comment and let us know what you thought about this box. What was your favorite thing? What was your favorite thing, Tech Guy?
I didn't know this was a color of Cherry Gingham. Mm-hmm. So this is what it's called, Cherry Gingham.
Yeah.
But I like this right here. I think this is.
Yeah.
If you don't see the value kit, if you don't see the value in this kit, you're crazy.
Yeah.
Because that in itself is the box, and then everything else is on top of that. So as someone that is a partner in a small business with you, I think this is a great value.
Yeah, it's a great investment.
Yes.
What a great gift too. Like, we're coming out of Christmas now, but it's a great gift for anybody quilting in your life.
Yep.
All right. Well, like I said, comment down below. We really want to hear what you guys thought of this month's, or well, it's not this month, it's December So Sampler. We are still waiting for January's. It will come out in about a week. We should probably have it. So we just want to thank y'all so much for joining us in the Hive today. Comment down below, and we would love to continue the conversation. Thank y'all. Have a great week. Bye.